everybody. So let's take a look at what is coming up next week. So that's going to be the week of May 25th. So the first thing that everybody needs to make sure that they're aware of, that there's technically no school on Monday, May 25th, because it's Memorial Day. So your teachers shouldn't be posting new work or anything like that. And May 25th does not count as an A day or a B day. So that means Tuesday the 26th will be an A day, Wednesday will be a B day, A day, B day, and we'll keep going like we always do. You need to make sure that your quiz, your one question check-in is still due by Wednesday the 27th. So that always gets posted on Friday evening. So that way you have all weekend, even though there's no school Monday, you can still do it. And it's gonna be due by 2 o'clock on Wednesday. And I wanna remind you, those of you who don't do the one question check-in by Wednesday, then I'm harassing you through email and I'm texting you and I'm bothering you, because this is how I figure out if you're present or absent for the week. And this takes 2 seconds, so I don't know why you wouldn't just do it. It doesn't take any time at all. And there's no wrong answer to it. Then we have the quizzes. The quizzes is going to be due, as always, by Friday. So that's by Friday the 29th. So you're gonna watch the video to help you, you're gonna do the quizzes, and then you'll be done. Then you should be working on your book. Now there's a lot of people who still haven't even gotten me a summary yet. That's really concerning, because your final draft of your book, put together in the Google Slides so it looks like a book, is due by Thursday the 4th for B-Day kids and Friday the 5th for A-Day kids. So it's really important that you get this done. So if you're feeling behind, even though there's no school Monday, then you should still be using time to get stuff done, and you can send me your stuff and I will check as soon as I have a minute. The last thing, which is a new addition, is your website. So your website needs to be finished no later than June 12th at 2 o'clock. And June 12th is the last day that teachers are taking work for everybody. So let's take a look at some just important reminders for everybody. So according to the district, and this just came out recently, teachers are not supposed to post new work after Friday, June 5th. So that means anything that you get after that is either review or it's time to work on things. And for my class, it's going to be time to work on things. The other thing that you need to be very aware of is that no one is supposed to accept any work after Friday, June 12th, because that gives teachers a few days to put their grades in, to figure out if anybody's not going to pass or if anyone needs to go to summer school or any of that sort of information. We have a few days to get our grades updated. The other thing that I want to make sure that you understand is how important the website is. So you started the website as your midterm exam. You should have had your homepage pretty much done with a picture on there. You should have answered the 5 reflection questions. You should have created the 6 pages on the side. So 1 page for each of the 21st century competencies. You should have copied and pasted the reflection questions in from my exemplar. And that's all you should have done. So now you need to make sure you're happy with the picture that you put there. If you're not, you need to put a different picture. You need to update your homepage, and you need to link in your work and your reflections for each of the competencies. I have added in the website as a whole new section under my classwork. So you will see in there, there's videos, there's directions, there's helpful hints. If you have any questions about anything, please reach out through email. And the reason that the website is so important is because you do a website every year, and when you're a senior, it's a big presentation. And normally, for my class, the website would be the last thing that we would do, and on exam day, you would present your website, just like you would have presented your children's book. But since we're not all together, nobody's doing any presentation. But it's still very, very important that you create this website, because it's a really nice indication of the work that you've done, where you stand with each of the competencies, and it helps you prepare for next year when you're going to do a website based on your work from sophomore year. So please do not ignore this assignment. And if you're feeling like there is absolutely no way you're going to get this children's book done because you haven't even picked a topic yet, then you should move on to the website, because it really needs to get done. If you have any questions, as always, please email me. And I know that I've been really reaching out to as many of you as I can to make sure that you're doing okay, that you don't have any questions for me, that you understand the work. So if you're feeling like you don't understand the work, it's really important that you let your teachers know, because we are here to help you. And I also want to point out, you only have like 3 weeks of school left. So we have the week of the 25th, We have that following week, and then you have a week to finish work, and then that's June 12th. It goes really fast. So I hope that you guys are all doing okay, and I'm bummed that we won't get to end the year the way that we normally do.